Okay.
Alright, so here's the Cracker Barrel Jump All But One Game tutorial. Let me get the rules first. Jump each tee and remove it. Leave only one, you're a genius. Leave two and you're just party smart. Leave three, you're plain dumb. Leave four or more and you're an ignoramus.
All right. Let's
God,
see how how badly we're going to be insulted.
Yeah, how to not be an ignoramus.
All right. Here we go. All right.
Yeah, this is How to Not Be an Ignoramus, the game by Cracker Barrel. Alright, so you go here, and then here, and then you go here. And then this is a first double jump here. And then you jump here, here, here.
So 3 times?
The 1, 2, 3 punch right there, yes. Okay. And then you work on the back row.
Okay.
Here, here. Yep. Here. And then you get the jump over near to this one. And then the first and only move in the corner is the winner.
Winner. All right. That looks pretty good.
I'm not an ignoramus.
So what are you? You stinking genius?
Yeah, I'm a genius. I'm a genius. And, I don't think anybody in here is really an ignoramus. So that's cool. Peace. 3. Goodbye.